Before shipment, several quality control measures are crucial for antistatic PVC flooring tiles. Firstly, the dimension, conductivity, and shade variation of the ESD PVC tiles should be tested and checked. Dimension measurement is necessary to ensure that the ESD control vinyl tiles fit together properly during installation, preventing any gaps or misalignments that could affect both the appearance and functionality of the static flooring. Conductivity testing ensures that the static control flooring tiles can effectively dissipate static electricity as required, which is of utmost importance for antistatic properties. Shade variation examination guarantees the visual uniformity of the ESD VCT flooring, making the installed surface look seamless and aesthetically pleasing. Secondly, before transportation, the resistance of each batch of conductive adhesive should be tested. The conductive adhesive plays a vital role in maintaining the ESD flooring system's antistatic performance. By accurately measuring its resistance, we can ensure that it will provide a reliable electrical connection between the tiles and the ground, facilitating the proper dissipation of static charges.